Welcome to Ileanovo. We are your best choice for hair restoration procedures in Ecuador. We are located in Guayaquil, the Pearl City of the Pacific. Our facilities are designed to ensure your comfort and overall enjoyment of your hair restoration experience. We'll guide you through a careful evaluation to assess your needs and to plan your hair restoration procedure. Before we get into it, our specialist will make a personalized design according to your facial features. Whether it's hair, beard, or eyebrows, we got you. We'll then proceed to harvest the follicular units with the FUE technique, guaranteeing the integrity and viability of each follicle. During grafting, our customly designed DHI implanters will guarantee a natural and organic result, best to fit your needs. After your procedure, you'll be able to travel and to resume your activities with minimum care. And here are some examples of what we can do for you. Welcome to Ileanovo. We are ready for you.